Antimicrobial resistance, otherwise known as AMR. Antimicrobial resistance is a top 10 public health concern identified by the WHO, World Health Organization. It's a very big concern across the pharmaceutical sector as well as the healthcare sector more broadly. The focus of AMR is looking at antibiotics and the manufacturing and use of antibiotics to treat some of the most widespread infections across us as patients. And the key concern here is how the improper control of the waste streams when manufacturing and using antibiotics to treat such infections. Because if the waste streams are not properly controlled, we, as the public, end up developing a resistance to the effectiveness of antibiotics to treat such infections. And that is the public health concern prominent in the industry right now.